It is important to regularly check and maintain the condition of your tires to ensure the safety and performance of your vehicle. One aspect of tire maintenance is replacing them when necessary. There are a few different factors to consider when determining when it is time to change your tires, including tread depth, age, and overall condition. Tread depth is an important factor to consider when determining when to change your tires. The tread on your tires helps to provide traction and grip on the road, especially in wet or slippery conditions. As the tread wears down, the tire becomes less effective at providing traction. It is generally recommended to replace tires when the tread depth falls below a certain level, which is typically around 2/32 of an inch. You can check the tread depth of your tires using a tread depth gauge, which is a small tool that can be purchased at an automotive supply store or online. In addition to tread depth, the age of your tires can also be a factor in determining when to replace them. Tires are made of rubber, which can deteriorate over time due to exposure to heat, sunlight, and other environmental factors. The lifespan of a tire can vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of tire, the amount of use, and the conditions in which the tire is driven. However, it is generally recommended to replace tires that are more than 6 years old, even if the tread depth is still within the recommended range. The overall condition of your tires is another important factor to consider when determining when to replace them. In addition to tread depth and age, you should also check your tires for signs of damage, such as cuts, bulges, or cracks. These types of damage can weaken the tire and reduce its ability to perform properly, making it important to replace damaged tires as soon as possible. In addition to these general guidelines, it is also a good idea to consult your vehicle's owner's manual or the tire manufacturer's recommendations for specific guidance on when to replace your tires. Some manufacturers may recommend replacing tires at a different tread depth or age based on the specific characteristics of their tires. In summary, it is generally recommended to replace tires when the tread depth falls below 2/32 of an inch, when the tires are more than 6 years old, or when the tires show signs of damage. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual or the tire manufacturer's recommendations for specific guidance on when to replace your tires. Proper tire maintenance is important for the safety and performance of your vehicle, so be sure to regularly check and maintain your tires to ensure they are in good condition.